So this customer calls me, right, earlier today, and he says, hey man, my computer isn't charging for some reason. Every time I plug in the cable, it's just not taking the charge. So I tell him, hey, you know what, that's fine, just bring it in and we can take a look at it. So he comes in today, he brings me this laptop. This is the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Carbon, and it is the generation 9. I'm inspecting this, right? The charging port is supposed to be these two, right? And it's basically removed from its location. And on this specific model, these are soldered to the motherboard. I don't know if you can see that, but you see this right here? This is just completely broken into the computer, like deep down. And there's one right here, it's I don't know what the hell that is. Another crazy case of how did this happen. So I tell him, we'll have to open it up and see what's going on because this is very rare. They don't just typically break off the motherboard. Now let's go ahead and get this guy opened up. I don't know what I'm expecting. I think I'm expecting to just have the ports fall off the board, and there's a likelihood chance that we can't solder them back on. There could be way too many ripped pads for us to even work on it. It's not going to be financially feasible for the customer. There's a lot of dust just popping off. Let's see what we're gonna see inside. Whew, look at that dust on those fans. My God. That is crazy. All right, well, we're not here for the fan, we're here for the charging port. I am very curious to see this. So it's supposed to be under that tape, but let me unplug the battery first. I mean, how do you destroy both charging ports? Clearly you did something on the first charging port. I mean, you would assume that you'd learn your lesson and not do it for the second, but I don't know how people destroy their stuff. Thankfully, I mean, not to toot my own horns here, I usually don't ever destroy my stuff. I mean, accidents happen, but this is no accident. I don't think this is an accident, man. Okay, battery unplugged. That's crazy, look how much space there is here. And now let's take a look at, can we see anything from here? And of course we have to remove the entire motherboard. Why would it be easy, right? Oh, there's just a lot of screws here. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. The USB port seems like it's modular. Can you just really remove the USB port? Why don't companies do that more often? Ooh, wow. Modular. I've seen that before, but they're not common. Maybe I've seen it only on Lenovo laptops. I can't recall where I last saw it, but it's pretty cool. Look, another modular component. Crazy. That's a really good idea. Why not make the charging port modular? Okay, here we go. Oh, look. Crazy. There's a port just laying right here. What the heck? That's crazy. There's another one. Woo! Yeah, this is not something that you see very often. Okay, so let's look underneath the microscope and I want to see if these pads are ripped and if we can just solder them back on. These pads tend to get damaged via force and some of these pins can just break off. Looks like they're just the solder joints were weak. Maybe it's not the customer's fault. I think we could repair this. Just need to reflow the port. I think the customer said he wants to do it the cheapest way, so maybe just instead of doing one, or I'm sorry, instead of having both fixed, I think he'll probably just have us do one. Let's call him and give him his quote. I think he will approve it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just jump the gun and do one of the repairs and see what happens. Okay, let's take a look. So what we're gonna do right now, we've got everything set up. This plastic part right here is covered. I'm going to heat this area. Once I find it hot enough and the solder starts to melt, I'm gonna drop this guy in place, just like that. Let's add some flux. It's beginning to melt. Just holding it down, making sure it does indeed melt. I only want to do the job once, not multiple times, so make sure you do it right the first time. Keep holding. Okay. It looks solid. Pins. Oh, nice. They look solid from what I can tell. They all look good. Pins make contact right here. Let's go ahead and test and see if it worked. Okay, so we're back. We've got the port, just one port installed. This is going to be for testing, and we're going to see if it actually works or not. The customer has yet to agree to this repair. We have yet to quote him. However, I do want to test as well at the same time. So if he doesn't agree, we can just simply remove it back. Okay, so the computer is fully assembled. This is the last component, is just the battery. I'm not going to fully screw in the battery and the computer in place, or the back shell in place, until I get a confirmation from the customer. Also, I do want to test before. So I'll put in a few screws for the battery only, just to hold it down. Now, I did forget to think about that one component. I think it was a capacitor or a resistor next to the charging port that we did not repair. That was broken off, so that may have or impede functionality for charging, turning on, who knows? So let's test. Okay, bismillah. Oh, nice, we got a light. Okay, good, very good. Let's just wait for it, let's give it a few minutes.
Later.
All right, customer approved the job, so we are good. I'm glad we kind of just took the risk and did the job. The only thing that I'm concerned with this repair was that broken capacitor. That broken capacitor, I think, was related to the second charging port that we did not repair. So the fact that we took the bottom charging port, not the top charging port repair, was probably a good idea. All right, very good. Successful job. Turning on, let's go. Let's see that Lenovo screen, perfect. Throw it on the charger one more time, and it's charging. Absolutely perfect. We did a good job, a very good job. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and do let us know down below if you ever had a computer repaired at a local shop and what your experiences was. We'll see you guys on the next one.